Numbers 1 to 1000. Children, as you know, that is the first chapter of our mathematics textbook. And within this week, we will be doing 3 topics from this chapter. Number patterns, odd and even numbers, rounding. This is the first lesson and the topic for this lesson is number patterns. The objectives are to complete the number patterns, to write the number that comes before the given number, to write the number that comes between the given numbers. Let's start our lesson with mental starter. Very simple activity you have to do. First of all, recall place value and answer the given question. What you have to do, add 10 to the given numbers. 3 numbers are given to you with the place value identified at the top of each digit. And you know so very well that how to add tens to each of the given number. Identify the number at the tens place and add 1 into it. You can do it so very easily. Yes, let's come up with the answers. Yes, the first number is 274 and it will become 284 because you added 1 at tens place. Next number is 338 and it becomes 348. And our third number is 812 and it will become 822 by adding ones at tens place. Correct. Let's move towards the next part of the lesson, main activity. Children, a set of numbers is given to you over here, 122, 332 and 782. What you need to do, you have to add 1 to the given set of numbers and then you will add 10 to the given set of numbers. Recall place value because place value always help you to solve the sums without any difficulty. For adding 1 to the given set of numbers means you have to add 1 at units place. For adding tens mean you have to add at tens place. So place value will help you. So start doing it. Identify the place value at the top of each digit and this will make your task very easy. This is no more difficult. You have done it for a lot of times. You are in practice of doing it. So let's come up with the answers by adding 1. 122 will become 123 because we are adding 1 at units place. Same way, 332 will turn to be 333 and 782 to be 783. By adding tens, 122 will become 132. In the same way, 332 will become 342 and 782 will become 792. Moving on with main activity, let's do another question. A number given to you is 783 and you have to complete the number patterns for 783. Follow the given instructions very carefully. For the number 783, you have to add 10 and 100 and you need to subtract 10 and 100 as well. There are 2 terms given over here, ascending order and descending order. First of all, you need to know the meaning of ascending and descending. Ascending means increasing and descending means decreasing. By adding 10 or 100 to 783, the value of 783 is being increased. And by subtracting 10 and 100 from 783, the value of the number is being decreased. By adding 10 and 100 to 783, we got 793 and 883 respectively. Now how to arrange these numbers in ascending order? Means from smaller to the greater. Look at both of the numbers carefully. First we will place the smaller number, that is 793. and then the greater number 883. This is the ascending order of the given numbers. In the same way, by subtracting 10 and 100 from 783, we got 773 and 683. How to arrange these numbers in descending order? First, we will write down the bigger number, then the smaller number. It starts with 773 and then 683. This is the descending order of the given numbers. Moving ahead with main activity. Let's do some more tasks. Question number 1. What number comes before the given numbers? Different numbers are given over here with the place values identified at the top of each digit. You have to change the place value at unit place by subtracting 1. 308. What comes before 308? Yes, 307. We will subtract 1 at unit place. In the same way, 918 will become, yes, 917. In the same way, 899 will be having 898 before it. Next question is, what number comes between the given numbers? Look at the first part carefully. 523 and 525. What comes between these two numbers? If you look at the unit numbers 3 and 5, so it means the number pattern being followed over here is by adding 1. So the number comes between is 524. In the same way, between 201 and 203, it will be, think about it, yes, 202. Correct. Alright, now this is the time to watch a video regarding number patterns. Watch the video carefully, observe the given details and note these as well. So let's start. I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's start with the written task. You have to complete number patterns on page number 22 and 23 of textbook. I'm sure that you can do it independently. Moving towards the wrap-up session, we will discuss few parts of question number 1 given on page number 22 of textbook. Question number 1. Complete ascending order. You know the meaning of ascending order means increasing order. By adding 100 and by adding 10. You have done a lot of practice and you can handle it very carefully in terms of place value as well. So, by adding 100, the number given over here are 200, 300 and 400. You can figure out that the place value is being changed over here at hundreds place in an increasing order of 100. So the next numbers will be 500 and 600. Next come by adding 10. 212, 222, 232. These numbers are having an increasing order of tens. The values are being changed at tens place. So the next numbers will be 242, 252. Correct. Question number 2. Complete descending order. Children, you know the meaning of descending order? Yes, in a decreasing order. By subtracting 1 from the given numbers 209, 208, what numbers will come next? Yes, the numbers are being changed at unit place and this will be 207, 206 and 205. I hope your answers are correct. Good job. Let's discuss another question taken from page number 23 of textbook. There are few parts given from question number 4. What number comes between the given numbers? 569 and 571. Look at the given numbers carefully where the place values are being changed. At hundreds place? No. At unit and tens place? Yes. 69 is turning to be 71. So, what comes in between? Yes, 570. In the same way, 883 and 885. Just observe carefully that where the place values are being changed. Yes, at units place. So, 883 and 885 will be having 884 between. In the same way, after 944, it will be 945 and then 946. Next comes 589. Yes, what comes after 589? Yes, 590 and then 591. After 299, it will be 300 and then 301. Correct. Coming towards the reinforcement task, complete counting backwards on page number 24 of textbook. You take good care and study well.